Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if there is anything in my skincare routine that might be considered quote-unquote bougie, it is definitely my Tatcha products. One of my absolute favorites being the essence. The first time I had the pleasure of experiencing this product was at a beauty store when it was demonstrated on my skin by the beauty consultant. I absolutely fell in love with how it made my skin immediately feel. My skin is under the category of being dehydrated along with some sensitivity. This essence makes it feel so plump and hydrated and just so smooth. I can't even explain to you how much I love it. I typically tend to use it at nighttime before I use my other nighttime products. After my skin is perfectly cleansed, I carefully pour a palmful of this essence into my hand. Then I dip my fingertips into it and gently dab it all over my face. My skin immediately drinks it up and it feels just so refreshed and comfortable, and any skin irritation that I may have been experiencing throughout the day feels so soothed. I've experienced beautiful results from using this essence. I feel like it really makes my skin glow and I really enjoy using it. And that's my point of view.